welcome to Eat Your Backyard, my YouTube channel where I talk about all kinds of things like edible landscaping. And in this video, Jack and I are going to plant some pumpkin seeds. He and his sister both wanted to plant pumpkin seeds, which I love to plant pumpkin seeds. They're one of the biggest, fastest growing vegetables on earth. I don't know if that's true. All right, let's see. Remember where I planted things. Okay, I know I planted there, I planted there, I planted there. I'm going to, I know I didn't plant here and here, so I'll remember this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'll plant on pot 5 for this one. Pot 5, second row. All right. Okay, Jack, let's go ahead and bring this down here. I'll hold it and you can just kind of plant them in there.
How many in each?
Yeah, however many you want. It's expert. How deep are you planting?
Like a finger.
A finger deep? Okay, so internet, that's how you do it.
Probably gonna do 2 because there's 8 and we could put 4 in each.
Do 4 in each? Okay, so that's good. All right, we'll put it up here. Okay, well, so things are growing well. I think. What do you think?
Yeah, I think they are.
Yeah, which one's your favorite out of all these? It's a floppy one. The floppy noodle.
Yeah.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
The deer's paw 1. The edible native. The sweet. You want to eat a piece? Just a little piece? I'll eat a piece if you eat a piece.
And then I'll eat a piece.
Okay. There you go. Alright, taste test.
Tastes like a leaf.
I'll try it now. Alright, we're officially feeding on our cuttings, but maybe it tastes leafy because it's been wind. Look at these, don't look like healthy leaves. They've been kind of. All right. Yeah. That tasted good. It tasted like a cucumber.
Tasted bland.
Married with a bland, but it didn't taste bad. It wasn't like sour. Okay, so let's do an update on all the other cuttings. No growth on the seeds we planted yet, but we haven't given it much time. These other cuttings are doing as usual, not much time, but now we have one more item, and kind of a novelty item, a fun lightweight item, which is the pumpkin seed. So how long do you think until this sprouts? You've done this quite a bit.
A day or 2.
A day or 2. One of the most instantly gratifying plants ever. Now we go over to our massive hose system and water this stuff up. And we should have pumpkins in no time. We'll be carving jack-o'-lanterns before we know it. Or maybe not. They always die. But maybe if we have them up here, the reason they die is because when we're down here, they get sprayed with the salt water. And then when we have them up on this level, they are protected from that maybe. And maybe we'll get pumpkins for the first time ever.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Then we'll move on to, we'll go up to watermelons.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I would like that more than the
What
pumpkin.
about cantaloupes?
Exactly. Yeah, you know that seed place I have in the link to this video is a great place to get cantaloupes. Cantaloupe seeds. They got every, they had, that basil plant we grew, they have actually 15 types of basil. It's like, holy mackerel. It's like $1 a pack of seeds. You could just like grow a basil forest. So go check that out if you're interested in it, by the way. You want to know where to get all the good seeds, Like I go to the department stores a lot and get them, but if they're available, but it's not much of a selection. So like if you bop them online from a reliable place, like Seeds Now, and you're good. All right, so hey, thanks for watching. We're going to see if we get us some, what do you call them? Pumpkins? Pumpkins? Or pumpkins?
Pumpkins.
Pumpkins. All right, we're going to grow them. You can eat the flowers of the pumpkin?
Yeah.
I'm going to eat the flower. Let's eat the flower.
Okay.
All right, we'll eat the flower because we know we can get it to flower mode, but we never get it to like, serious pumpkin mode. All right, this time we will. Because we're using the right soil. By the way, it's in the links. Pots are in the links. Everything, all these plants you can get. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Eat Your Backyard. You could grow yourself a good old strawberry tree.